Dear recruiter, welcome back to the series of videos on requirement you're hiring for. In our previous videos, we have learned how to add a status and a smart comment on the CV of the candidate. In this video, we will talk about an online Excel tracker that will help you in filtering out the candidates basis different statuses and comments added by you, and also gives you a consolidated view of all the requirements with the number of CVs worked under them. So to get started, I have already logged into an employer's account. Go to ResDex and click on Candidates Tracker. This will show you the different requirements and the resumes that you have worked under the same. You have quick filters available on the top. You can select the requirements that you would wish to see, the application statuses, hashtags, and call statuses from here. And lastly, the duration of when you have worked on these profiles, like 7 days, 30 days, etc. So this will reduce your work of creating and maintaining a manual Excel tracker, as you can work on this one itself. Further, if you wish to see the list of requirements you have worked upon, go to ResDex and click on the option of ResDex requirements. This page will show you all the requirements you have created. Under them, you will see different statuses and tags with the number of candidates marked under the same. Further to this, you can click on the requirements name and see all the CVs like this. Here you have one-click clusters available on the left-hand side. And if you wish to see the online Excel view of these CVs, you can get the same by clicking here. Take a look. So this is all about it. If you have any doubts or suggestions regarding to our videos, please email us at support@naukri.com. Do like, share this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button appearing on your screen. Thank you.